Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here again with a beautiful story, The Wind and the Sun. It is from class 2 English textbook Marigold, prescribed by NCERT. This is the most interesting story about the conversation that happens between the wind and the sun. They both enter into a competition. The competition was to remove the coat of the man walking on the street. The wind took the first chance and started to blow as fast as she could. Seeing the wind blowing fast, the man held his coat tightly, and as a result, the wind failed to remove his coat. Later, it was the turn of the sun. He started to shine bright and became hotter, which made the man remove his coat. As a result, the sun was the winner of the competition. Now, let us read the story and enjoy. The Wind and the Sun. Wind, Sun, can you see that man walking down the road? I can get his coat off more quickly than you. Sun, smiling, we will see who is stronger. I will let you try first. Wind, puffing his cheeks and blowing hard. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Man, how strong the wind is today. It is blowing my coat away. I must hold it tightly round myself. Wind, blowing harder now. Ooh, ooh. Man pulling his coat more tightly. How cold it is. Wind, Sun, I give up. I cannot get his coat off. Sun, now it is my turn. Let me try. He shines hard. The sun shines very brightly. Man, what a funny day. It was so cold and now it is so hot. Sun shining harder. I will make him feel hotter and hotter. Man, wiping his face. I must take off my coat. Sun, Wind, I have won. I have made him take off his coat. So children, this is the story, The Wind and the Sun. So now, tell me children, who was the winner of the competition? Yes, correct, Sun. Sun was the winner. And what is the moral of the story? What did you learn from the story, The Wind and the Sun? So, the moral of the story is a gentle smile can achieve, but brutal force cannot. It means with a gentle smile or with gentleness we can do anything, but with force we cannot do anything. We cannot do any job. So we should be gentle to everyone. Now let us learn some new words. Road, meaning an open way for travel or transportation, and sentence is there was a traffic jam on the road. Next word is coat, an outer garment with sleeves to make you feel warm. And sentence can be, she gifted me a black coat on my birthday. Next word is quickly, meaning at a fast speed. And sentence is, we walked quickly to catch the train. Next word is stronger, meaning more powerful. And sentence can be the sun was stronger than the wind. Cheeks, meaning either side of the face below the eye. And sentence can be her cheeks are pink in color. Next word is won, meaning to be successful or victory. And sentence is our team won the football match. Question answers. What did the wind do to get the man's coat off? And answer is the wind began to blow hard to get the man's coat off. Next question is, what did the sun do to get the man's coat off? And answer is the sun shone brightly to get the man's coat off. Who won in the end? And answer is the sun won in the end. Next question is, who said this to whom? So first sentence is, I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. And this statement was said by the wind to the sun. Next sentence is, I will let you try first. This statement was said by the sun to the wind. Next is, how cold it is. This statement was said by the man to himself. I give up. I cannot get his coat off. This statement is said by the wind to the sun. And our last sentence is, I have won. This statement was said by the sun to the wind. Rhyming words. Bun, sun. Hold, cold. Boat, coat. Pan, man. Sunny, funny. Port, hot. So children, it's all for today. I hope you enjoy the chapter The Wind and the Sun. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.